Just had one question, which is supplementing to this.
Sure.
Leaders have different type of qualities, multiple types. You can list out a number of qualities. Do you think there is one quality which every leader must have? Is there, or what is your opinion on this?
Without doubt that there are certain core qualities which should not be compromised by
Okay,
any person in whichever country, whichever company, whichever context the person is doing the
right.
leadership role. And that particular thing is honesty to the mission. Honesty
Okay,
to the mission, not personal honesty necessarily, but
right.
honesty to the mission. Believe me, and I'm sorry, I'm giving a very different viewpoint here, that I
Yes,
wouldn't rate a person high or low necessarily based on his personal honesty or dishonesty. But I would
right.
definitely rank that person very poor if he was dishonest to the mission that he or she was doing. So
Of
let
the
us say
organization.
that, yeah, so let us say if some CEO is indulging into some kind of personal, gain through these comforts or through these perks and all that, I wouldn't give too much attention so long as that person is furthering the interest of the organization, the mission of the organization. For me, that is the most important thing, that whether you are loyal to the purpose or not of the organization. That is
Very
how I,
nice.
few things here or there, I wouldn't seriously give too much attention to. That doesn't mean I'm condoning anything. I'm only saying that if I have to take one quality, then that quality will be honesty to the mission you have undertaken.
Excellent. I think you have very different kind of a thought when it comes to quality for a leader. I really appreciate. Now, you have been in various leadership positions, and some leaders really enjoy their position as a leader. Some people find it very difficult and always they are not comfortable. What is your position with respect to your leadership?
Without doubt that when you are a leader, you have to make decisions, and these decisions can affect the life, career, and pleasure or state of mind of people around you. And those
Right.
those moments are not so easy. That people with whom you are working every day, every night, who is helping you, you are helping them, and you have to take sometimes the decisions which are not so comfortable to make, but you
Correct.
have to make. The point which I was earlier making, when I mentioned this to the director of Accelerate, that I would not get angry with you if you say no to me, because I
Mhm.
now know, being there, that what are the difficulties, of resource allocation. So I would say that those moments have been there, but when people believe in your fairness, when people believe that you are only prioritizing rather than preferring, then in
Right.
that case they understand. They feel that, that he has some priorities at this moment. On those priorities, probably I'm not figuring at this moment, but he has not forgotten me. He has not
Right.
forgotten my own interest. And when the time will come, it will. So, sometimes you have only two positions as a professor, and there are six claimants of that particular thing. You have to choose two people, but that
Correct.
doesn't mean the other four are not fit enough to be the professor. It simply
Right.
means that at this moment, organization requires these two positions to be filled by these two people who can provide the kind of initial impetus, and then the
Right.
four will also be taken, but in course of time, without any prejudice, without any personal preference. So I would not promote people who are like known to me or I'm comfortable with. I will take those people who are required for the mission of that organization, and will explain to the other four that why these particular things. Now, those are the only moments which you could say as moments of discomfort. But eventually, it turned out that they also agreed that, yeah, let's do this. Then let's have a little bit more other, activities, and then I and others can also be accommodated in that particular activity schedule, and everybody will be happy from that point of view. So resource allocation and is the major difficult period for any organization and leader, and that particular thing can be uncomfortable or comfortable on a personal level, and I did face those things too.
Okay. You are saying that as a leader, definitely you will come across uncomfortable situation, but how you manage those situation to the interest of the organization is the most important thing to do.
True, true. And I will
And there is,
explain it to them also. I would also
right.
explain it to them also that why
Yeah.
organizational interest lies at this particular moment with this decision. That doesn't mean that it is a reflection on them. It is
Right.
just that the requirement of mission and the resources that we have are matching for this particular choice. And that's why we are picking up that decision. But that doesn't mean at all that you have forgotten or you will not be used. And there will be other responsibilities that they can take and they will
Right.
take and they will be with us. So
So that,
nobody had that kind of, because they knew that I'm not going by any personal preferences. I'm only
right.
going by prioritization in the furtherance of the mission.
So this communication is also very important.
Absolutely. And not only communication, your deeds are also important. Words and deeds together must match. Words can make difference without doubt to a very large extent, but not all the time. Because if the words are not matched by the deed, at some point of time, then credibility gap will arise, and that credibility will be totally, I would say, fatal to any leadership. There people
Okay.
do not believe a word of what you say, and that will
Right.
be an issue for leadership at any time.